Okay, real quick. Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Grass Designs. Sorry about my voice. I don't know why it does that. I don't even know why it does that. If you don't know, I had I had a couple of strokes about 6-7 years ago, and it affected my voice. The anesthesia did, whatever. I also have a pretty bad limp. Not that that's important, but I get comments all the time about, is she drunk? Nope, not drunk. Wish I was sometimes, but that ain't it. Alright, I'm just pushing a little bit of this is the, I'm sorry, this is the chrome nail powder. And I chose a magenta fuchsia color and a silver, weird combination. Okay. Got one of these makeup eyeshadow kind of applicator. Lord, I swear I did go to school. My English teacher might not agree, but Mrs. Slocum. This is not easy. I'm not getting anything down there. Oh, at that time I did. How are y'all this weekend or this week or whatever day you're watching this? I've been doing a lot of resin projects. Alright. The point is to get it down at the bottom without necessarily coating the whole thing. Last one. Oh yeah, sure, it's the biggest, easiest one. Okay, I got a cramp in my finger. Again, with the cramp in my finger. Alright, let's see if we can at least get a little bit off the bottom. Alright, let that dry a minute. This is the silver. And it is very silver. Like I said, these are the nail mirror powders or chrome powders. Now, unfortunately, to back this, I'm still going to use black. So anywhere that doesn't get mica powder is going to show black. So let's concentrate on getting it pretty covered. Oh. Alright, I always say I'm going to say this earlier in the video, but I did start a Facebook page for anybody that wants to friend request me or ask me any questions there. I do share sorry. I do share what I'm working on and chat with my groups and stuff. I did open up a buy me a coffee link. If anybody's interested, I opened up a super thanks button below the video. If anybody's interested in that. And I also started an Amazon wish list if anybody's interested in that. As always, I've got my Amazon shop where these nail art powders, any of the resin dyes, anything like that, glitters, resin. I've also got a polymer clay list, like a mixed media list. Okay. These have all cured. Really pretty. Another one, really pretty. That glitter is from where I mixed that last little bit of the clear that had that iridescent blue Leobro glitter. I am more than a little excited for this one. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna have to bring this to myself to flip it over, y'all know that. Okay. That is a workout. Oh. That one still is a little bit bendy. Which is good. There we go. Again with those nail art mirror chrome finish. I did the silver and this fuchsia color. Wow. This is what started it. Hopefully I've already shown you the video on this one. Let's see. Oh yeah. That is pretty. In love with that. That is gorgeous. Okay. Once again, it's a temu mold. I'm gonna say again, this one is not sponsored. I did purchase this with my own money. Even though I have 2 of these. I do have a 30% off first time buyers coupon listed in the description box, as well as an affiliate link that I get a little kickback if you order anything through that link. I also have an Amazon shop where I have like the chameleon powders, the resin dyes, the glitter resin, silicone. I've got everything listed if you're interested in resin, polymer clay. I have several different lists. I've opened up a Facebook page again. I lost my Facebook page when I got my YouTube channel stolen. I did get my YouTube channel back, but not my Facebook or my Instagram. So I have started one of those up again. The listing is in the description box. If you want to friend request me, ask me any questions. I've lost contact with all of my friends, contacts, YouTube subscribers, everything. I've also opened up a super thanks button below the video. I've opened up a buy me a coffee link in the description box, as well as an Amazon wish list, if any of that interests you. This is what we did today. It's so pretty. I just love it. These tea lights came from Temu as well. So there we go. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a lovely day and a lovely rest of your week. Bye for now.